Welcome to Simply Elegant. Today, I am going to share with you a super simple Parmesan crisp recipe that I have been addicted to for the past few months. For this recipe, you will need some Parmesan cheese that has been shredded, some garlic salt, or parsley flakes. All you want to do is take a little handful of some Parmesan cheese and just make a little disc. Just like that. Once you have formed your Parmesan crisps, you just want to lightly season them with some salt and parsley, or I am using garlic salt. It doesn't need too much as the Parmesan cheese already has plenty of salt in it. And now you're going to pop this into an oven that has been preheated to 350 degrees and bake these for about 10 minutes or until they turn golden brown. Welcome back to Simply Elegant. Our cheese crisps have come out of the oven and look at them. Nice and golden brown. You can see the little parsley flakes. Nice and crispy. Cannot wait to try some of these. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. If you do, remember to post a picture on social media and hashtag Simply Elegant so that I can see all of your awesome creations. Until next time, remember to keep it simple yet elegant, and thanks for watching.